Welcome back. Now, there is one more setting that you're going to want to take note of inside of the settings area. And if you go inside of the settings area, you're going to take a look at your shipping settings. It's going to bring you to this page. And before you set this up, Etsy is going to tell you about the opportunity for you to set up a free shipping guarantee. And basically what this does is it means then that anything that you're shipping within the United States, you can be given priority placement in search if you agree to give free shipping to Etsy customers. And this is going to be for items that are going to be $35 or more. So you're going to want to make sure that you read through this panel to determine if this is something that is going to fit your business. What you're also going to see are going to be shipping profiles. So in this case, you're going to click this button and you're going to then be able to offer a shipping profile. And basically, every kind of product that you are going to be selling, you can create a separate profile for it. So for example, you can make it so that prices are entered manually or calculated. You can determine where an item is going to be shipped from, as in certain cases where certain products are going to be shipped from different locations. And the same thing is going to be true naturally for processing time for those items. Again, now it's possible that you have for specific kind of items that you'll only ship them to certain locations. You can edit and indicate that here. And correspondingly, there are going to be certain products that you're only going to be using specific kind of shipping services. Now it's here again that you can offer free shipping as well as free international shipping if you're going to do it for this particular shipping profile. And then if you have a certain amount of handling that goes into the package you're going to be sending, you can indicate that by charging a handling fee for this particular kind of product. Once you determine these parameters for the specific kind of shipping you're going to be doing, you can name this profile and create it. And you can create as many profiles as you need for the kinds of products you're going to be shipping with Etsy. When you use specific kinds of products, you can indicate a specific kind of pricing. What this does will allow you to create specific kind of labels when you are shipping. And you can determine that based on the particular kind of package type. You'll see here that all of the rates are going to be determined by the United States Post Office, which is going to be a fixed fee. And you can add as many package preferences as you want. You can either use the post office shipping rates or you can use the Etsy shipping label rates. And you can toggle this back and forth depending on how you want to go about managing your business. You can also offer your customers the opportunity to pay for expedited shipping. You can do that by clicking this enable button, or you can disable this feature and make sure it is turned off. So once you've done that, you will have determined your shipping settings for your products. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.